Gates open, they're up and racing. Lion Fort running at the center by the rail. Britney's Glory, Cool Summer moving a party outside. Tagumpay, Angelus down on the inside, and trailing the group is Doña Isabel as they race towards the last 900. Now we have Lion Fort takes up the running by a length. Britney's Glory is by the rail second, racing in third by the rail. Angelus dropping back in fourth. Cool Summer, then racing in fifth. Tagumpay, and Doña Isabel is running at the tail of the field as they round the last 600. It's still Lion Fort, Britney's Glory moving up down on the inside, racing in third on the outside. Cool Summer, Angelus as they turn for home. Two runners are still fighting it out for the lead. Lion Fort on the outside, Britney's Glory by the rail, then racing now in third. Tagumpay and Angelus, and down the stretch they come. Lion Fort, Britney's Glory, Tagumpay is on the outside. Lion Fort still leading the field. Tagumpay throwing a challenge on the outside. Lion Fort, Tagumpay, and finally Lion Fort, Tagumpay for race number 2. Then comes Britney's Glory, Cool Summer.
Yun ang dahilan kung ba't na liyamadong bigla yun. 5-2-4-7 ang aking nakitang unang